Hello lover bag, welcome back to my channel. This time we are talking about the small lovely Gucci Bloom padlock bag. First, let me tell you a bit about Gucci. It is an Italian brand founded by a guy called Guccio Gucci in 1921. They are vintage inspired style, which is elegant, quirky at the same time. Some might describe the brand as eclectic, romantic, and contemporary. Let's start. As usual, the bag comes with the dust bag. It is in canvas combined with brown and maroon leather, gold hardware, padlock closure, and a gold chain handle which is attached to the two hooks at the end of the bag. Comes with crochet. It also has the two gold keys, which I'm not really sure why they give you two. I guess just in case you lost one. The bag is painted with leaves, flowers, bird, and the usual GG logo. At the back of the bag, it has a one pocket in maroon color. You can't really put a lot in there, probably one or two cards. It has a brown flat base bottom. So let me show you how to open the bag. You push one of the studs to the right. Inside it gives you one compartment with a small pocket, which again you can only fit like a handful of card on it. It has a leather tag that says Gucci made in Italy. Underneath that tag it gives you all the date code for the bag. The bag can be carried as a shoulder bag or a cross-body bag. So let me show you what you can fit inside this bag. So you can put Burberry coin purse, my Gucci card holder, a small lotion, a Louis Vuitton 6 key holder, hair tie, my MAC lipstick, and a phone. I'm currently using an Apple iPhone 6 Plus, which is quite big. Let me snap it together. Oh, hang on. Yep. There you go. That is my Gucci Bloom small bag. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please don't forget to watch every Saturday. Like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Bye!